Hey everyone, welcome back. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure what's going on with my camera or my face cam. It keeps freezing up on me. So at least for this video, you won't be able to see my reactions, unfortunately. But yeah, like I said in the last video where I beat the Elite Four, I still can't believe I did that. I'm gonna go bird hunting today. So I'm back in Pallet Town because this is where it obviously left me after I became the champion of the world. Hell yeah. And I gotta go find my way to the legendary birds that I need to get some revenge on. So the first one we're gonna take on is in the power plant. I think it's Moltres.
What did he say?
So I'm gonna go after that one right now. So let's start this journey.
I'm going on an adventure!
Okay guys, we finally made it to the power plant. I don't remember if I need to solve a puzzle to get to the bird, but we're gonna do it live. We're gonna do it live. There we go. Here's the culprit. Don't try and fight me before I fight this fool. There he is. Right there. You, sir, wrecked me the last time. You destroyed my team, but now you have come back stronger. We will have our revenge. I should have saved. Whales! Zapdos. I should have started with, Diggle. Let's see how much Charlie will do. Let's do a slash. Oh! Oh, don't paralyze him. Okay, let's see. Diggle, you're up, boy. It's my boy. It's my boy, Diggle. Don't affect me. It's okay. It's okay. Do another slash. We got this. We got this. Don't. You freaking bird. I'm gonna bring Diggle back to life. I have all those revives from the Elite Four fights. Don't kill me. Okay. You know what? Oh, God. Okay, at least I didn't die. Yes! Put the fool to sleep. Alright, you're going into Pokeball. Suck it, Zapdos! First try! First freaking try! You gonna make a fool out of me twice? Zapdos. Legendary bird Pokemon that is said to appear from clouds while dropping enormous lightning bolts. Yes, he will get a nickname. They all get a nickname. He is gonna be... Zappy. Zappy was transferred to Bill's PC. That's one down. One of 3 freaking birds down. What's this? Oh, I didn't know there was an exit right there. Okay. Okay, that was the first one down. Next one I think is... Oh, it's Articuno in the, Cinnabar Islands. Alrighty, let's go. Okay, guys, we just made it to Cinnabar Island, and I think I have to mess with all of the boulders again. I might accidentally kill you. Don't die. Okay. That'll work, because if I hit you now, yeah, your defense, you'll keep some health. Okay, let's try that again. Oh, I'm gonna catch you. I'm gonna catch you. I forgot to buy more Pokeballs. Oh, snap. Yes! I got the slow bro. Hell yeah. I knew I didn't have him. Okay. The hermit crab. How is he a hermit crab? The shelter that is latched onto Slowpoke's tail is said to feed on the host's leftover scraps. Ew. Yeah, I'm gonna give him a nickname. He's gonna be called Broseph. It's like Joseph, but Broseph. Wait, is it that or PH? We'll go PH. How do I go back? There we go. Where's the H? Broseph. There we go. He's Broseph. Broseph was transferred to Bill's PC? Okay, okay. Yes, there you are. Oh, come on. I've already taken down one of you. You are the second on my list that have wrecked my team, and I have come back for revenge. The end is nigh for you. Fancy looking bird. Okay. Okay. We can do this. I forgot to save again. Jesus. One of these days I'm gonna learn. Okay. Okay. Oh, don't kill him. Please don't kill him. Don't kill him. Don't kill him. I killed him. Oops. Oops. I didn't mean it. I'm sorry. Whoops.
Wait. That's not how it happened. Now, where was I?
Well, we're gonna try this again, but unfortunately now I don't have my Slowbro, because I really do want the Articuno. I don't mind losing the Slowbro, but I want that Articuno. We're back. He's here. We could try and kill him again. This time, no fire. We don't use fire. Fire hurts. Fire hurts this bird. So, I got my revenge, but now I'm trying to catch you. So, don't die. Please don't die. Okay, don't die. You're getting slashed. That's it. That's all you're gonna get. Just slash. There, that'll work. That'll work. We can do that. Don't kill Charlie. Okay, maybe one more hit. Now you know what? I'm too scared. I'm gonna throw it right now. How did I miss? Excuse you? No, you know what? We're going to... Where is he? Sandman. We're going to sleep, bird. Ouch. Yes! Good. Sleepy bird. Now, get in the Pokeball. I want to hear no back talk. I said no back talk. What the bird? You're supposed to be asleep. Ultra Ball my butt. What the hell? This thing ain't... It's not doing nothing. Better stay asleep. I don't know if I could hit it. Throw another Ultra Ball. You freaking dude. Okay, I'm gonna try and switch back to Charlie. See if I can hit him maybe one more time. That's a very sleepy bird. Don't die. Don't die. Just don't die. Oh, okay. No, you're going back to sleep. I don't care. You're going back to sleep. Go to sleep. Alright. Go to sleep and stay in the Pokeball. You freaking bird! How? How do I get it to stay in the Pokeball? I can't hit you anymore, you're gonna die. Yes! Yes! I got it! I got you! Ah, finally. Okay. Articuno. He's a freeze. A legendary bird Pokemon that is said to appear doomed. I don't know why I read domed. To doomed people who are lost in an icy mountain. Yes. Yes, I don't think anybody has his name, so I'm gonna give him the name of Artie. Because he is Articuno. Artie. There we go. Yes! 2 down. Y'all are mine. All y'all are mine. Alright, alright. What the f***? Just trying to walk around. You're ruining my segue, my transition. Okay. So now, we're just gonna go to, I think it's,
Nope.
Surf.
Nope.
Why not? Oh, I'm not close enough. Ha! The Indigo Plateau, I think it is? No, Victory Road. Victory Road. I have to go to Victory Road to find the last bird. Alright. Let's go do that.
Hold up.
Nope. We're pausing. I can get Broseph back. We're gonna get Broseph. Good. Same way we did before. You remember what happened? Okay. There we go. Ouchies, sir. Ouchies. Yes! We got Broseph back! Hell yeah. Hells yeah. Okay, yeah, see, it says new added. We had to lose him to get him again. Okay. Bro. Oh, what happened? There we go. I need to go buy more Ultra Balls also. Okay. Where'd I come from?
Fast forwarding memory to a more recent one.
Alright guys, here we are at the outside of the Indigo Plateau, or the Victory Road area. It's the Poke Center before the Elite Four. And I'm heading back into the Victory Road area, where I didn't fight you last time. Didn't want to get wrecked, but now I'm here. You are guilty by association with those other birds, and it is your time to die. Time is now. Actually, not die. I want to catch you. Ooh, that's a fluffy bird. He kind of looks like a Furo. Moltres, I'd like to introduce you to Jaws. Oh, what the hell was the peck? I hate that move. Oh, if I do surf, it might kill him. You tackle. Don't stop being a bird. I have to use tackle, because if not, you might die. Oh yeah, critical hit. Ouch. I'm sorry, what? Try tackling him again. Would you stop? Max potion, what the hell? I don't have anything lower. Ah, stupid move. Could you stop trying to turn me into sushi? Oh god, this stupid move. Hurry up and continue already. Don't kill him. I gotta throw a Pokeball. I gotta throw a Pokeball. I forgot to buy more Pokeballs. I'm dumb. Don't matter. Don't matter. You're mine. Hells yeah. I don't know what to name him. Known as the legendary bird of fire, every flap of its wings creates a dazzling flash of flames. Oh, yes, but I don't know what to name you. You know what? You're getting a girl's name. You're getting Molly. You're Molly. Alrighty. Hells yeah. Alright, guys. Hells yeah. I did it. I done did it. I thought I was gonna get caught by that guy. Okay, how do I get out of here? Oh god, it put me at Cinnabar. I thought I was gonna go to the Indigo Plateau. Whatever. I still got all 3 Pokemon. Look, look, I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys. I got all 3 of the legendary birds. They might be like mostly dead. Girl, I'm walking here. They might be mostly dead, but I still got them. Look, Bills. Hurry up. Let's just say we're gonna deposit Jaws. Supposedly. And there's Molly, Artie, and Zappy. They all get the Y name with Broseph thrown in there. These are the 4 I got today. Hell yeah. We did it. We did it! We got them birds! They ain't gonna make a fool out of me anymore. Oh, I forgot. Whatever. I'll get Jaws right now. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I apologize for not having the face cam for y'all to see my reactions to this. I need to figure out what the hell is wrong with my camera. I might need to end up buying a new one, which kind of sucks, but it happens. And there may be another video in this Pokemon Red that might be coming out later. So be on the lookout for that. So yeah, if you guys really enjoy this, please think about giving a like, possibly following or subscribing to my YouTube channel if you like this content. I will be coming out with more videos in future weeks. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. If you can, share this video as much as you can. I am trying to get to 100 subscribers before the end of this year. And I believe we're only about 45 more subscribers away. So yeah, if you could help, I would appreciate it. And I will see you all next time. Bye!